If your budget's tight and you're on the hunt for some earphones that will deliver, well, you've come to the right place. For the past few days, I've had the pleasure of testing out these SoundPeats Clear, and I'm pleasantly surprised of the value you get from picking up these for only $29. Even without a discount on Amazon, you're able to pick these up for $29. Well, excuse the taxes, but just the base of $29. So let's hear how the test results came out for these earphones. The design of these look like they're inspired by the Nothing Ear 2 company. If you have not and you haven't seen, I've actually done a review of some similar earphones with the Nothing Ear 2. The links to that will be in the description below. I think I have some average ears, so once I took these out of the case, I quickly plugged them into my ears, and they fit good enough. They're not perfect, but they didn't provide any discomfort to my ears. They were very lightweight, and I was able to quickly hear it say power on, and I think like 3 seconds after it said that the Bluetooth was connected to my phone. The pairing process was quite quick and fast, and they do support Bluetooth 5.3. For those of you who do not know what the technical term means, I just want to say that it just makes Bluetooth pairing quite faster than the older version of Bluetooth. Right out the box, these do come with a bunch of controls which I found to be easy to use. There are essentially 4 different tap gestures. Just to give you an overview, a single tap is able to mute, and then a double tap, you're able to use that to either answer or pause a song that you are listening to, and then a long press could be able to end the call or even skip a song. And I didn't have any issues using any of these gestures. It's just a learning curve, especially when you're coming from using, let's say, an Earbuds Pro. So I like to listen to music and take a lot of phone calls, and I'll let you guys hear an audio test later on in this video. But for vocals and audio, these I want to say were pretty decent. So while some audio files exhibited a slightly shallow sound, they're not the worst. For example, I was listening to a audio that had some streaming in the recording at the intro of the song, and to me it sounded quite a bit dry, but not so severe that you wouldn't want to listen to the song. This also applied to the vocals in some era, but that's kind of understandable, especially for the price point that you're picking these up for. But I must say the standout feature of this is the decent bass that I hear that is provided on these. In comparison to my Earbuds Pro, I want to say that these would give you around 60% of the bass value in comparison to listening to something like the Apple Earbuds 2. So if you want to hear or get an example of the bass that you'd get from a song like this, maybe walk into an Apple store, listen to the Earbuds Pro, and just imagine 60% of that bass will be provided in an Earbuds like these, well, earbuds like these. While as I said, for some voices it seemed a little bit dry, the experience of listening to content on social media to me was excellent. Clear articulation of individuals' voices were quite distinct, and the recognition of different symbols in the audio tracks were quite good enough for me. These do come with dual mic clear audio, and this is how it would sound if someone was to make a phone call to you, or even you sending a voice message to someone. Just listen to how the audio would sound straight out of these microphones themselves on the earphones. So this is how the audio would sound coming out of the microphone. I'm not even sure if you guys are able to see this, but there's a bunch of, what are these, penguin, no, ducks or whatever the case is. So a little bit of noise in the background, but this is how the audio would sound. I'm recording onto my phone, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Battery life, I must say SoundPeats did another great job with the battery life on these budget friendly earbuds. So for $29, the earbuds are able to last you up to 7 hours on playback. So 7 hours listening to your favorite music, watching your favorite videos on social media, or whatever the case may be, you get 7 hours. and 40 hours with the charging case. So $29, 40 hours with charging case, and 7 hours playback time with the earbuds themselves. You can't lose with any earbuds like this. For this amazing price point, this makes it great for anyone that is on a budget, or even a college student that wants to get something that is quite simple, has a new design to it, fits in their ear perfectly, won't break the bank, but still be able to deliver best enough quality audio to their ears, and they'll be able to scroll through content on social media, listen to their favorite music without any issues. But there's only one drawback that I found, is that the app was not working. I had the earphones paired to my phone itself, and it just was not recognizing inside of the app itself, which was very frustrating. So I ended up not using the app at all. Hopefully a new software update will resolve this issue. If you've liked this video so far, I want to encourage you to actually leave a like and share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you have not, please subscribe to this amazing growing family. Share your thoughts below. Let me know if there's anything that I failed to mention about these earbuds. But please follow me also on social media, TikTok, Instagram. Links to those will be in the description below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.